Anyways, 10 contract years, she'll be almost 65. Flack I get from people is they're like, oh, annuities are bad. If you're asking me what I make, I'll tell you what I'm making. And if she wants to stack some more income on, she can. Hey there, I am John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Today we're going to be talking about one of my clients. She is going to get $80,000 a year from only $500 grand. Pretty excited for her. I'm walking out in the snow here and just enjoy the nice winter weather outside here near Lake Tahoe. And it's just, it's a beautiful day, beautiful day. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. There you go. Hey, bit of snow right there. Anyways, all right, so let's talk about her. So she's 54. She's going to put $500,000 in, and it's going to be with ClearSpring. And she's going to take income in 10 years. So she's 54. She's going to take it at 64 in 10 months. She's going to be, she wants to take it at 65. But anyways, 10 contract years, she'll be almost 65. So she's going to have a phenomenal income. I mean, think about it. She's putting 500 grand in. She's going to get $80,000 a year in guaranteed income the rest of her life. It's really good. She's a female. She's healthy. She's probably going to live 30 years. So that's $2.4 million in income from $500,000. Okay. She could make more in the market. Yes, she can. That's the biggest flack I get from people is they're like, oh, annuities are bad because you're making more money in the market. I'm like, yeah, you can. I'm not selling this for growth. I'm not telling you can make a ton of money. I'm telling you, you can get a ton of income. That's what it's for. Okay. If you want to enjoy your money at some point, you probably should turn it into income. You can either turn it into something that you have to manage, or you can just turn it into something you don't have to manage and it's full passive income. So I guess it depends on what you want. But for her, it's perfect. And ClearSpring is getting her 8% annual growth guaranteed for up to 12 years. So that's why this is working so well. She's going to have a huge income benefit multiplied by a high withdrawal rate. And that's what gives her income. And she's not using all her money. She can let the rest of her money grow. The rest of her money will be in the market. It's going to grow and it's going to compound for her as well. And so she'll have that too. That's what's so nice is she'll have this, she'll have Social Security. And then if she wants to stack some more income on, she can. But good for her. I mean, she's going to look back and she's like, yeah, hindsight, this was definitely a good decision because she locked in these huge rates while the rates were big. Or while the rates were high. So anyways, if you're looking for an annuity, go to my website. It's johnstevenson.com. You'll see all the rates. You'll see all the income riders, which are usually the highest payout. That's what she's getting. SPIAs and DIAs, QLACs, everything. And then when it's appropriate or when you feel comfortable, you can reach out to me and I'll sell you an annuity if that's what you're looking for. Otherwise, I won't. So happy to help though. If you are looking to buy and you are looking to purchase with me, please book a call. There is a link below this video as well as my website. So I do try to be super real with people, transparent. If you're asking me what I make, I'll tell you what I'm making. Okay. Sometimes I make a lot. Sometimes I don't make very much at all. I can make 14 grand on 250,000, or I can make 3,000 on the same money, just depending on the type of product you buy and depending on your age, everything. So it all evens out. It really does. And I did a ton of annuity business last month, and the payout for me was not as huge as maybe some other months because most of those products were just very low commission products, but they were the best for those clients. Okay. And that's just how it works. Sometimes you got big months, sometimes you got small months, but in the end, if you're an advisor and you're a fiduciary and you want to sleep at night, then you're going to show people what's best for them, not what's best for you. So that's the way I live. And a lot of advisors, unfortunately, do not live that way. It's just unfortunate. It's not a great way to run your practice, but a lot of people do. And so I tell people, I says, look, if you're going to meet with me, I'm going to show you everything that's available. And I'm going to work with you and make sure that you get the best product for yourself. And it's your money. You've been working hard for it. You should definitely have the highest payout. So anyways, hope that is valuable information for you. And I hope you liked the video. If you do, like, subscribe, share, comment below if you got questions. And I'm happy to help you if that's something that you're looking for. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.